To simplify loudspeaker selection and control, groups can be assigned in the SPL tab. Groups can be created in two ways. Firstly, right-clicking in the source window will bring up the option to add group. Once added, the group can be populated by dragging and dropping sources within it. Groups can be renamed and global changes to gain, delay, mute, solo and hide can be applied. Another way to create groups is to drag a source on top of another in the same window. Delay systems or front fills can be time-aligned and level-matched to avoid unnecessary repetition. These groups can be expanded or collapsed to maintain a clean workspace.